Okay, so on number 5, watch out. This one's got a couple of tricks. Let me show you. So AY is 2. That's right here. AX is 4. It's right there. AB is 11. That's right there. And what else we got? Find XZ. So they want me to find this bottom side right there. Well, first off, are those triangles, which two triangles? Well, let me do this. Let me say here, let me write for you the common mistake. They're trying to trick you on this one. Let me help you not be tricked. The common mistake is to go, okay, I got it. 2 is to 11, right? 2 to 11 as 4 is to X. No, why not? 4 is not a whole side of a triangle. It is only part of a side, isn't it? See that? See the problem with the 4? All the rest of the numbers are good. The problem is the 4. See, he's only part. He's only that little part. That's not a whole side of a triangle. We can't do that. 4 is not right. He's not a whole side of any triangle. He's only a part of a side. So that's the common mistake. Don't do that. All right, so what do you do? So that's what you don't do. What do you do? Instead, be a little more careful. And here's what I would do. Instead, let's just draw out the entire thing. I think that'll help you see it. You just draw the whole thing, the big one, okay? And then you just go, okay, what's the whole bottom here is X, and the whole left side is 6, isn't it? Do you see that? Change the color. It's 6 all along there, isn't it? Because it's the 4 plus the 2. So now compare that. What do you compare that with? I think you know. Compare that over here with the little triangle right there. Those are the two that are similar. Let me do that in red also. Those two are similar, aren't they? It's the little one and the whole one that are similar. By the way, why are they similar? Well, because they both have the same top angle, right? It's literally the top of both. It's the same angle. The top of the big one and the top of the little one is literally the same angle. So that's the same as itself. And then did you notice these little arrows here? So these sides are parallel. So what does that mean? That means corresponding angles are equal. So that means this angle must equal this angle because they're corresponding. They're both the upper left-hand corners of their intersections. So what does that mean? Well, that's down here. I move it over to there, right? And then this angle over here, finally, 1, 2, 3. Those are corresponding as well. They're the upper right, parallel lines cut by a transversal right. We've studied that. Must be the same as that. So those two triangles, meaning the little one and the big one, have the same 3 angles. The tops are literally the same angle, and then the right and the left are corresponding angles. So they have to be the same because these lines are parallel. That's what they told us with these arrows. So now we can set up the triangle ratio easily enough from here. How do we do it? I think you know. We just go 6 is to X, left to bottom, as 2 is to 11. Now it's better, right? So we use 6 instead of 4. See how those 6 is a whole side, isn't it? Whereas 4 was only part of a side. That's the right ratio to set up. And now we can solve it. Cross multiply. 6 times 11 is X times 2, or 2. If that bugs you, you can just write 2X. 2X, that's 66 is 2X. Last step, divide by 2. So X is 33. And that's what they wanted, XZ, which is X. So watch out, draw the whole triangle, and that way you get the whole side 6 instead of accidentally using the 4.